Okay, I have received a new eyepiece and I'm going to open and see what is inside it. Okay, let's see what is here. Looks quite large, and I see a ginger hair here. So probably from a Celtic or Irish person. So this is quite large eyepiece, so I try to open it and see what is inside. Oh, I can read something now. It's written Meade, so this is a Meade eyepiece. Now plot thickens. So let me put this in the bin. I come back. So this is a Meade eyepiece. Let me twist it. I like this eyepiece which comes with a bolt case. Quite large. I wonder. Can I believe? Yes. Oh yes, that's the Meade legendary Meade Super Plössl 56mm multi-coated eyepiece. Look at the size of the eye lens. It's very recessed. Quite large. One of the biggest eye lenses I've seen. Quite impressive. This is the Meade 56mm Super Plössl eyepiece. It's a 2-inch eyepiece. It couldn't come completely into focus, so I added this extension tube, which is here. And now it comes beautiful to focus. And I'm using the Skywatcher ED80 Pro Series f6.5 or 7.5 telescope, focal length 600, diameter 80mm, practically a 3/4 inch. So let's see how it is. The lens is quite recessed, so I'm going now to show you how it looks. I must say it's very easy for the camera to actually focus on this. It has a big exit pupil, very easy to look through, comfortable, very wide angle view. You have seen these fruits with the 3.5mm eyepiece and they look huge. Now you see how tiny they are. They're kind of crab apples, very small crab apples, the size of a pea. Smaller than a hazelnut. Yeah, half the size of a hazelnut. For 1/3 of it. The view looks quite pleasing, and I'm moving the camera. It's easy, it doesn't affect at all. The exit pupil is massive. I think it's because of that recessed eye lens that makes it really, you cannot go wrong with eye position in this. Oh, I'm so happy I got this. This is such a good eyepiece. Wide angle views. And that was the view through the Meade Plossl, Super Plössl 56mm eyepiece. So all in all, I'm really pleased with this eyepiece, and yeah, very wide angle. Field of view is 4 degrees 85, so almost 5 degrees, which is really good. If you have a darker sky, that really pays, but if you live in a light polluted area, probably that's not the best way. Lower magnification increases the contrast. But I will test it tonight on the Milky Way and Ophiuchus and the other constellation of the summer sky, and we'll see how it does. You can see how it performs in M42 at the end of this video. This is the field of view of the 56mm Meade. And the object in this field of view is the Great Orion Nebula. Practically the field of view is massive. The field of view is massive. It is 5 degrees.